Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday and a few more things arrived on island for our house, so we're really excited about that. There's like the Dyson bowls and like plates, but I'm also super excited for the art that we're gonna have around the house, mainly in like the kitchen and living area. I've seen so many people on YouTube talk about Desenio, so I thought I'd check them out and order some art prints and frames. So let's get into it. Long process of trying to figure out how to actually hang these up. I thought it was going to be a simple process of using the command strips, but because these frames are actually really thin and because these frames are so big, these two ended up having to be nailed to the wall and hung up that way. And for these three, I used command strips that kind of have a little hook right at the top, which kind of goes on top of these sawtooth of the frames. I'm really happy with the way this has turned out. That's it for this one. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!